What's up guys? This video I'm going to do some F2L walkthrough solves. So let's just hand scramble. Right. I'll be doing it in white since you all requested to do white. So right, so since I've done my cross, so the first pair I see is these two, so I can just immediately go do these two. And then I see this and this, I can just do like that. And then notice these two, the color doesn't match. So I know that I can just do that real quick. Now rotate, do these two. Like that. Next one. Right, so we got our first pair here, like that, and then we can do these two. And then I wouldn't rotate, just because if I rotate, I might not be able to see what's happening at the back. So I can just do F moves, like that. And then I notice these two and these two, but I'm going to do these two first, because it brings up these two after I solve this. And then these two, like that. Right, the yellow is very good on this. I'm gonna try yellow. So here, like that, and then these two I see first, like that, and then I notice these two. And then I notice these two, so I can rotate. And lastly, these two, which is very easy. Right. Cross. So first one I see these two, and then I notice these two will separate after I insert this one, so I can just do like that and rotate. Yeah, I will do these two, but I will do it like so. Then I can insert like that, like do it like that. Cross. I see these two, and then I will go with this two, and then this two, I'll do like that, and then insert. Alright, so instead of inserting like that to get a bad case, I will do a U and then RE2 R prime, and then these two I can just slash hammer to yeah, to get a better overall. Next one. Right, so this one I would do these two. Instead of rotating, I would do keyhole and then insert, and then like that, and then these two, like that, and then instead of doing at this position, I would rather do it to lefty, just because the corner is here and not there. So like that. Alright, so last one. Yeah, my first pair will going to be this, I assume. Yes. And then these two. Wait. I might not see these two in solve, like when I'm solving, but I would do these two first if I were to teach you, like give you example. So I would do these two legs, and then lastly these two, and I will just rotate just because I want to orient some edges on the top layer so I can get a good last layer. Right, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you can actually see what I'm doing, because I went a bit too quick. It's nothing special about those F2L, it's just that get good at look ahead and TPS basically. And efficiency is pretty important just because you want your solves to flow nicely and not like stopping here and there. So yeah, goodbye.